Hey guys, I'm in front of my place right now where I'm staying. Someone asked to do kind of a neighborhood tour. So I'm gonna do this before I go on to my next destination, which is coming soon. And I'm really going to miss this place. So I'm gonna start from here where I'm staying and just walk to my left and then kind of go around. And then I'll kind of show you my area. But all right, so here's my front area. This is where my motorbike is. But I'll turn to the left and go this way. These are little water stations. You put a couple coins in, you can get water. They always have karaoke going on. Here's some outdoor karaoke. Some food. What
Chicken.
Are you? Chicken.
Yeah.
Nice. Smells good. And this is where I was earlier. This is where there's a cockfight going on down here. This is where they put the like the razor on the chicken for the cockfight. And this is, you see the tarps up here. This is where we had our Christmas party last night. It rained all night, all day and all night. So we stood underneath here and had our Christmas party last night. What's up, guys? Hey, hey, here's the Christmas guy. We had, whoa, sorry, buddy. He held the Christmas party last night. Yes, it was very good, very good.
We're going to the USA tomorrow.
To the USA? May 11th.
May 11th.
So I have 5 more months.
Pero you are going another countries.
I'm going to Negros next week.
Next week. Oh,
Yeah,
going next
in
week.
a few days, yeah.
So after New Year.
No, before New Year.
Before New Year. So
Yeah.
you're New Year, celebrating New Year at the Cross.
Yeah.
Oh,
Maybe, I'm not sure yet. But I know I'm leaving here probably 29th
29.
or something, yeah.
Okay, do you enjoy the party yesterday?
It was
Even though it's
fun.
rain?
It was fun, yeah. We played lots of games. It was a lot of fun.
Yo, where is your prices? The soap and the money?
I got it at my place.
Okay.
Lots of soaps. I won 3 bar of soaps. Hey! I won 3 bar of soaps last night and some money and some candy.
Dustin!
Hey guys. But alright, I'm gonna do a little tour, but I'll talk to you later, okay?
Yes, no
Alright,
worries.
take care. Alright, bye. Well, it was fun. I didn't do any videotaping last night because I kind of wanted to take a break and enjoy the moment. And so we had some Christmas games going on here. Lots of fun. It rained, like I said, but we still managed to have fun. Hey. It's on.
No!
This is what you're gonna do when you do live recording. Alright, see you later, buddy. Alright, so this is where we had the Christmas party. Walking around this way. So you continue walking here. Alright, so to the left here, that's where my bike is. That's where I started right there. That's where I'm staying. Today's Christmas, so everyone's celebrating out here, just enjoying themselves. And this is my, I'm staying with the guy who cooks all the time and he sleeps up there. This is his brother. And these are all my friends. Enjoying some food and some drinks. Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas.
All right, I'll be right back. I'm just gonna walk around real quick.
Okay.
So this is where we started. There's my bike. That's where I'm staying. We continue on here. In the morning, this is where they sell lugao. I eat this sometimes in the morning. It's very good, very tasty. Hey guys. Hi. And this is just another street road. I don't go down this way very often. But it's just like a normal. Hey guys. It's like normal houses and stuff. I'll walk down this way. This way is a little more interesting. They usually sell stuff here like ice cream. They have a store here. I'll walk down this way. Hello. This is where we refill our water. A whole one of these is like 20 pesos, about 40 cents. So this will last here probably for, you know, a week. And it's really cheap, you know, 20 pesos. So we usually come here to refill our tank of water. And it's really close to our house. So fresh water, clean here for 20 pesos, which is like 40 cents.
Hello.
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year soon.
New Year.
Hey. Hey. All right, so that's kind of like the tour. You know, very, very friendly community. Like you kind of see, everyone just says hi. Everyone's welcoming. If you wanna, hey, this is we did a food run the other day with a van full of food. This is our driver. And then I did another video where he played guitar and sang. That's in your head. In your head. Someday, someday, someday. Yeah, yeah.
Justin, my friend.
Yeah, we're up friends. Later, man. But I'll continue this way. And I don't know if there's much else to see. Christmas song. Hey, what's up? Alright, so back that way is my place. I'll continue walking this way. Okay, kayo. Hey. So this is kind of the end of the little community area. This is the way we go to the basketball court. It's really close. We usually just walk or drive a motorbike, but it's just this way. You take a left and that's where the basketball court is. And I think that's about it. Like I said, today's Christmas. I'm gonna get back to enjoying it with my friends and maybe drink a little bit more, maybe play some card games and just eat some food. I'm getting fat a little bit because I eat so much food here. But you guys have a Merry Christmas, God bless, and see you next video. All right, bye.
Justin, baby, don't you cry. Right, Justin, baby, starring. sky like the eagle in the eye and the hurricane that's abandoned. I understand you did right from a man that goes by the name of the sailing. He flies the sky like an eagle in the eye of a hurricane that's abandoned. Magdalena, ikaw ay sawing palad. Kailan ka nila maiintindihan?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Which one first?
Stay together.
Stay together? Okay.